So yes, it's been a minute. Like I said, my daughter's been in the hospital. Actually, Thanksgiving she came out for a half second, and she went back in Christmas and New Year's. We had a setback. They said she had C. diff again, which anytime she drink or eat things, her stomach was just inflamed, and so we're back again. She's out. I'm trying to get her back healthy again so that we can get this kidney transplant, but she got to stay stable for about 3 months. So I'm back to cooking. Trying to cook with, I bought a lupus cookbook because she got lupus nephritis, which is the kidney problems. But the C. diff came from all the different antibiotics that different doctors give her. So just too much. So, but she has to have it. So anyway, today I had a breast of chicken, and I had some asparagus and some rice, and I had some orida potatoes because she's like 83 pounds, and I need to get her weight back up. So I gotta watch the phosphorus, and I gotta be kind of like a Reno diet. So everything that was in this lupus cookbook could not be, because some of it had phosphate in it. So I had to kind of make my own recipe and look at that and look at the ingredients. So first of all, I had the rice. I used to Uncle Ben's rice. It's a coconut jasmine one, and I made some rice, and I actually went and I had to give her some tuna. Yeah, lemon pepper tuna, and I mixed it in with the rice. So that'll be one little meal for her that she could eat, because the rice stick to her, and then she likes tuna. And so then I cut up, I got to chop up all the chicken, almost like shredded when you give it to her. So this one is like potatoes, and I mixed up with peppers, onions, and all that. So, and then I got to asparagus because I'm trying to force her to eat some veggies. So got that as a meal. And then, I know she get tired of chicken, but she got to eat it because they said she need more protein. So fish, chicken, all that good stuff. So it's another meal. Had a little rice with potatoes, and I got chicken. I got to chop it up a little bit more because I just sliced it. I don't know if that'll work. So anyway, I'll put a little bit of barbecue on it to give it some flavor, because none of this stuff has flavor, but you ain't supposed to have flavor right now. Okay. So anyway, keep us in prayer, and it's a struggle, but I'm still a mom, and that's my daughter, and I'm going to do everything I can to keep her alive and help her through this struggle. Thank you. Bye-bye.